Class 9, Chapter 1, Example 3. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my channel. Example 3. Find two rational numbers between 3 and 4 by mean method. This mean method, therein you have learned in 8th class, first chapter, exercise 2, 1.2. Okay, already said for you, this is very important. Mean method, one problem compulsory. Okay. Method 2 also I'll explain. Method 2 is a very easy method. In exam point of view, you don't do method 1. You apply method 2 only. Now mean formula is a plus b by 2. Okay, a plus b by 2, where a is 3 and b is 4. Here a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 4. Substitute in this. A means 3 plus b means 4 by 2. Okay, c is equals to 3 plus 4, 7 by 2. Okay, now between 3 and 4, this rational number we got 3 is less than 7 by 2 is less than 4. Okay, in between 3 and 4 we got one rational number. One more rational number we should find. Now a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 7 by 2. Now a is 3 and b is 7 by 2. You don't do this method. This is a long method. You do method 2. What I'm saying, that is easy method only you follow. Now a plus b by 2 formula, a plus b by 2. This is a mean method. Okay, a means 3, b means a means 3 plus b means 7 by 2 by these two as is to write. Okay, now 3 means I am writing 3 by 1 plus 7 by 2. I am writing this one, 3 by 1 plus 7 by 2 by these two I am writing. Okay, now LCM find for these two. Denominator is 2, therefore LCM is 2. Therefore LCM is 2. Okay, LCM is 2. Here what will multiply? Here 2 will multiply. Therefore here also 2 multiply. Means 6, 3 2s. Plus here denominators are same. Therefore same 7 write down. By this denominator 2 as it is you write. Once I'll explain how you got again you will get confused. 3 by 1 plus 7 by 2. Here LCM is equals to 2. This you learned in 8th class, second chapter. Now 3 by 1 you write plus 7 by 2 write. Okay, question already wrote again, once again wrote. But LCM is equals to what? 2. Means denominator value we should make it 2. Means 1 into 2 is equals to, and 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Same value should multiply 2, and here same value should be multiplied 1. These 2 should multiply, this 1 should be multiplied. 3 2s 6 by 2 plus 7 1 7 by 2. Means here denominators are same. Therefore I am writing only once. Okay, this I wrote fastly. Okay, directly. Numerators what? 6 plus 7. Okay, this only I wrote directly. Means what I did means here denominator value 2 no, means 3 into here 1 there no, 1 there, 1 into 2 multiplied. Means 3 into 2 6 I wrote directly. Your denominator same there means same numerator should write. Okay, 6 plus 7 by 2. Don't get confused. Okay, 6 plus 7 is 13 by 2. Again this by this denominator 2 you should write. Now is equals to, this is numerator, this is denominator, 13 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means what? Will division will write in the multiplication means what? 2 by 1 means reciprocal will change as 1 by 2 is equals to 13 into 1, 13 by 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Okay, therefore 3 is less than 13 by 4. This answer should write. Again less than 7 by 2. First answer less than 4. Between 3 and 4 we got two rational numbers. Okay, once I'll tell in Hindi and Telugu. मेथड 1 रखो करो, मेथड 2 करो. मेथड 2 इजी मेथड है. मैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट में बोलता हूँ. 3 4 के बीच में रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करना. ये मीन के फार्मूला ए पे ए बी है, ए प्लस बी बाई टू बोल तो 3 प्लस 4 बाई 2 बोल तो 7/2 आया. 3 इज लेस देन 7/2 लेस देन 4 बोल तो 7/2 एक रेशनल नंबर आया. दूसरा रेशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ए समझना, ए बी समझना. ओके, समझकर ए प्लस बी बाई टू में करने के बाद ये प्रोसीजर मालूम नहीं, 8th क्लास में पढ़े हम लोग. आंसर 13/4 आने के बाद क्या लिखते, 3 इज लेस देन ए रेशनल नंबर लिखना, दूसरा नंबर रेशनल नंबर क्या आया वो लिखना, ये बाद में 4 लिखना. वो तो 3 and 4 में क्या है, 2 रेशनल नंबर्स आए. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అల్టెలియన్ తెలుగు సంవాడ్. ఈ 3 and 4 మధ్యలో ఒక రేషనల్ నెంబర్ కనుక్కోమన్నాడు, మీన్ మెథడ్. కానీ ఈ మెథడ్ కనుక్కోకండి, మెథడ్ 2 నేను చెప్తాను, ఆ మెథడ్ 2 ఈజీ మెథడ్, అదే చేయండి. ఈ మెథడ్ ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నా అని చేయకండి. ఏ ప్లస్ బీ బై 2 అంటే ఏ అంటే ఇది, బి అంటే ఇది. 3 ప్లస్ 4/2 అంటే 7/2 ఒక రేషనల్ నెంబర్ వచ్చింది. మళ్ళీ ఇంకో రేషనల్ నెంబర్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఇది ఏ ఇది బి అనుకోవాలి. ఏ ప్లస్ బీ బై 2, ఏ ప్లస్ బీ బై 2, ఏ ప్లస్ బీ బై 2 అనుకున్నాం. తర్వాత దీన్ని ఎల్సిఎం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ 13/4 వస్తుంది కదా. వచ్చినాక ఈ 3 లెస్ దెన్ 13/4 ఈ ఆన్సర్ రాయాలి, తర్వాత 7/2 రాయాలి, తర్వాత 4 రాయాలి. అంటే 3, 4 మధ్యలో 2 రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఓకే.